I'm about to show you 6 NotebookLM features that will change everything you thought you knew about learning. Feature number 2, it creates professional presentation slides in seconds. Feature number 5, it generates an AI podcast discussing your study material, and you can join the conversation. It's so powerful. I genuinely wish I had this during my university years. If you've ever struggled with research, presentations, studying, or just trying to understand complex topics, this video is your game changer. I'm not exaggerating when I say NotebookLM might be the most underrated AI tool of 2026. So hit that subscribe button, because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover your new favorite learning companion. Let's get into it. Let's say you want to master a particular topic in your field of study. Here's where the magic begins. First, head to NotebookLM and click Create New. Before you do anything else, and this is crucial, name your notebook. Trust me, organization is everything. Now, here's what you're looking at. 3 powerful panels. The source section, where you can upload up to 50 sources. The chat panel is where you interact with your sources. And the studio panel. This is where the real magic happens, creating content outputs with literally one click. But wait, what if you don't have any sources yet? Here's the game changer. NotebookLM has a built-in research function that does the heavy lifting for you. You've got 2 options. Fast research for a quick scan, or deep research for full analysis with comprehensive reports and way more sources. Pro, you can actually prompt it with your research focus and ask it to prioritize reputable, trustworthy sources in your field. Watch this. I'm going to research pumps, compressors, turbines, pressure vessels, and boilers. I'll paste that topic here and hit deep research. Now look, NotebookLM is planning the research, executing each step, and generating a complete deep research report with all the source links. It's automatically pulling from authority sources. With one click, you can input all these sources. See that red question mark? That means the link is broken. Just click the 3 dots and delete it. Simple. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The first thing you want to do is ask strategic questions. Let me show you. What's the principle of operation of compressors, pumps, and turbines? NotebookLM gives you a crystal clear answer pulled directly from the sources provided. No fluff, just facts. But here's a use case that absolutely blew my mind. Let's say you need to create a presentation on this topic. Go to Slide Deck. You've got 2 options, Detailed Deck or Presenter Slides. Since I'm presenting, I'll choose Presenter Slides. Select my language. Leave the length at default. Describe what I want, and hit Generate. Wait for it. NotebookLM generates perfect slides ready for any presentation. And because it uses the Imagine model, the visuals are absolutely stunning. Look at these clean, professional slides. Anatomy of industrial reliability. These are presentation-ready slides for training, lectures, or conferences. Incredible. You definitely don't want to miss this next feature, the infographic generator. Click on Infographic, hit the edit symbol, choose your language, orientation, and level of detail, then describe exactly how you want it to look. Click Generate, and boom! Here's a clear, comprehensive infographic of the entire topic on one slide. This gives you a complete pictorial understanding at a glance. One look, and everything clicks. Let's say you just finished a training session and want to test retention. Here's something cool. NotebookLM will create a quiz based on the sources you provided. Go to Quiz, choose the number of questions, difficulty level, write your topics, and hit Generate. The questions are generated directly from your topic. It has hints, and if you get it wrong, it gives you the correct answer with an explanation referenced to the source. That's next-level learning. All right, this next feature? Absolute game changer. This is one of the best features of NotebookLM, and it's important for everyone. Video generation. NotebookLM will create an explainer video of the topic you're studying. Go to Video Overview. Select either an explainer video or a brief video. Choose your visual style. You can customize it or choose from styles like Classic, Whiteboard, Kawaii, Anime. For this, I'll choose Heritage. Write what you want the AI to focus on and hit Generate. Here it is, a clear, detailed explainer video on the topic. Let's listen.
And you can think of it like a ladder of severity. At the bottom rung, you've got Category 1. That's for your everyday stuff, lower pressures, like in water treatment. Then you climb up to Category 2 for the tougher service you'd see in a chemical plant or a refinery. And at the very top, you've got Category 3. This is for the most severe, high-stakes jobs out there, like high-pressure offshore drilling. It's a brilliant system, really. It just makes sure the toughest jobs get the toughest seals.
Okay, so we've covered the heart. Now let's talk about the lungs of industry, compressors. We're looking at API 617 versus 619. These are the machines that handle all the gases in the facility.
And what's really fascinating here is that compressors aren't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. They actually represent what one source called conflicting engineering philosophies. You're basically choosing between two totally different ways to get the job done. And this is that classic engineering trade-off in a nutshell. You've got your API 617 centrifugal compressor. Think of this one as a sleek marathon runner. It's all about high efficiency and top.
Mind-blowing, right? Now, this next use case is the best if you're studying something new. Research shows that when you listen to something over and over, it becomes part of you. So here's what we'll do. Use NotebookLM to create an audio discussion of your topic. Go to Audio Overview. Choose your format: deep dive, brief, critique, or debate. Select language, length, and what you want it to focus on. Hit Generate. And here's your generated discussion on the topic.
Welcome back to the Deep Dives. Today we're looking at a stack of engineering standards. We've got API 610, 674, and a few others.
Right, and some technical articles on reliability.
But we're not just reading numbers. We're trying to unpack this invisible battle that happens inside industrial pipes everywhere. It's flow rate versus system pressure.
It sounds a little abstract, but it really dictates how we move critical fluids. And engineers have two main tools for this fight, two machines with, let's call them opposite personalities.
The unstoppable force and the response.
But here's the real kicker. You can join the discussion by clicking here and make your own contribution. What do you think about reciprocating pumps regarding oil and gas operations?
That is a fantastic and specific question.
Yeah, that really gets right to the heart of API 674.
Absolutely. Reciprocating pumps, which are a type of positive displacement pump, are essential in oil and gas.
They're the ones we were calling the unstoppable force.
Exactly. And they are often used for very specific tasks like high pressure injection or precise dosing.
Because they maintain that float rate regardless of pressure.
That's right. The technical compendium noted that API 674 governs these pumps.
This is the first of its kind. You can have an intellectual conversation with NotebookLM on your topic. It's enlightening. NotebookLM can also create a mind map of your topic. Click Mind Map and it generates a clear, structured visual. Here it is, perfect for visual learners. So there you have it. NotebookLM is your ultimate learning companion. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tools that'll transform your productivity.